are here on vacation at Corpus, and we are at our gorgeous, cute little beach house. Look at this dining room area. It's so cute. So that's the entrance, and this is a cute little living room area, TV. And this is our kitchen, little area, dining. So pretty. And then this is the beach area. No, just kidding. This is the master bedroom. There's a closet. Oh, there's a secret door over here. What's this for?
That's cool. A secret door.
It's a secret door.
Let's see.
I don't know. Don't touch that. We don't know about that.
We don't know what the code is.
Yeah. And this is the master bathroom. It's so adorable. It's so cute.
Come on to my room, guys.
So pretty.
Guys, come on to my room.
Okay, let's go to your room. This is the bed. This is a king size. It's so cute. We have a TV.
And I got my own room.
Yeah, we brought Zoe. Vente pa acá, mami. And this is another room, kids' room.
I got my
bunk beds.
lamp.
And then this is the closet.
This is
games.
yeah.
So cute. See, corazón.
I got remotes and I got
hallway.
and I got fish.
And then this is the bathroom.
This is my bathroom.
Oh, these showers are nice. I'm liking the tile on the shower.
This is my bathroom. And look at this room.
And this is, I don't know what that is. This is the other room. The queen size bed and the TV. Love it.
It's so big.
Ay, bebé hermoso. ¿Qué hace mi bebé?
Everything. I always love this house. I love this. It's so
You'll love
big.
it. It's
Let's
so
go to the kitchen.
And then here we are back in the kitchen dining room area.
Oh.
Green packet. Cute. Oye, Amanda, you dancing? Princess getting her water. Having a great time. Y este pelillo se está enterrando. Y esta comadre whining. Hey guys, welcome to another day. So today I am packing because we're going to Chicago. I'm currently packing the girls' stuff first. I pretty much picked out all their clothes. Probably not gonna take everything that's on the bed, but you know, just giving me ideas and which ones I need to take out, which ones I'm gonna take. I just like to lay it out, and I want to see it and see what's gonna be taken off or not. That's pretty much what I've packed for my daughter's clothing. I'm also taking some clothes that Everly no longer uses or no longer fits in. I'm gonna take it to my little niece up north that I'm gonna be meeting. I'm so excited. When we come back, I'm gonna do some videos as well. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me on decluttering. We're gonna be moving to a new place, which I'm so excited.
Sorry, Zoe, because you can't even come to Chicago because you're gonna stay with Lulu and Coco.
I'm gonna miss you, Mama. You be a good girl with Coco Bears and your tia Lulu, okay? I love you, Mama. Where's your monkey? Where's your monkey? There's your monkey. Good girl. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to update you on my clothes that I'm packing for the Chicago trip. And this is pretty much the layout that I think I'm going to be taking. Now I need to organize my makeup. I feel that is the most stressful part for me because I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to wear. And what makeup is gonna go with what, you know what I mean? And then the jewelry as well. Also, am I the only weirdo that likes to keep the tags on until I wear the clothes? Anybody else does that? And right here I have laid out all the makeup that I'm gonna take. It might seem a lot, but we're gonna be playing with makeup with my little sister-in-law. So I think it'll be fun to bring, you know, a few things. Alright, and then this is my face stuff. You're gonna need to excuse this horrible yellow lighting. And my moisturizer, I'm taking a mask, and my eye cream, my face moisturizer for the night. And I'm taking one of these. This is my first time using this to remove all the makeup. And then I'm taking my acne cream, drying cream. This is like my ride or die. I'm taking my toner from Thayer's. And then I'm taking an eye makeup remover for the eyes. It does not irritate or burn my eyes at all. A face exfoliator. And this is a hack, you guys. I have 3 oils in here and they're all glass bottles, so it's a fuzzy sock, just 1 sock in 3 bottles. So I just kind of divide them and gonna kind of twist them so they won't touch. I've done this more than once and they've come safe and sound. My face pads, Q-tips, and then I have a hair band because I hate having my hair in the way when I'm cleaning my face. And I'm gonna get started on my hair stuff now. This is a cute little set. I love this. I got this off of Amazon, and why don't I get off of Amazon, you guys? These are so adorable. I love them. I'm gonna be taking all of them because I don't know what the heck what to do with my hair or my daughter's hair. Okay, so right here I have all of my hair stuff along with shampoo and conditioner. Are you excited to go in the airplane?
Yes.
Yes. Yo, mami. Ay, crazy. Ay. Esa cámara. ¿Te gusta la cámara, mami? Made it to Chicago, you guys. Are you excited? Yeah. We made it to Chicago. We're here to see family. We're gonna get our luggage right now, so we'll see you at the luggage claim. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Letty. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Cheers. Úntala. Que le sople.
I'll go grab another one for you, honey. Make a wish.
Make a wish. Hey, bravo! So we are at the hotel.
Yes.
I'm about to leave to the house, to the party. Show me your dress. A pretty dress. Ooh, pretty. So gorgeous, my baby. Hi, Mama. Hi,
We're gonna leave.
yes, we are. Hi, Mama. This is my outfit of the day for today.
If you don't see her, I can feel.
And some hubs over there. I am so tired. So we just got home about an hour-ish ago. We came home and ate and just chill for a minute, take a breather, take a moment. We had a good flight going to Chicago and coming back home. It was good. Southwest did a good job. If I don't unpack right now, I won't do it until probably like in a week. Because I am so tired. I don't feel like doing anything, but I know I need to do it. I hope y'all are having a great day today. Either you're watching this at night, morning, during the day, whatever. So the party was nice, you guys. It was fun. I didn't really get to vlog much as I wanted to at the party, but what you guys just saw was like the stuff that I could catch during the party and stuff, and the little vacation that we had back at home, because my little girl was just with me the whole time. I had to like carry her, and because she doesn't know anybody, and then she would like cry if she doesn't know you. But yeah, that's the one thing that I do miss. It's my family and some friends and just hanging out, but I don't miss the town. I don't miss the place. Hopefully they can come here to Texas and experience and check it out and visit us. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I don't know if it's gonna be short or long, But I hope you guys enjoyed it either way. I love you, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. And take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.